Jai Srimanarayana. 18th sloka of 5th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmane Gavi Hastini Sunichaiva Svapake cha Panditaha Samadarshinaha. Om. Inculcate an ability to see Atma, soul, in every entity and maintain that equal vision with an understanding that all the Atmas in all the bodies are equal due to their essential nature of being eternal. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends that every one of us to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja." Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Srimanarayana, I shall inculcate an ability to see Atma in all the bodies, and also I shall maintain that equal vision with an understanding that all the Atmas in all the bodies are equal due to their essential nature of being eternal." O Srimanarayana, O Sri Krishna, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimanarayana, O Sri Krishna, I shall act according to your word. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I realize that I shall always remember that Rajogunam is the source for all sensible enjoyments, and I shall definitely keep on trying to see that Sattvagunam is dominated and Rajogunam is suppressed in me. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi, Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam, Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, after Dushyanta departed, Bharata became emperor of this entire world. Chakram Dakshina Hastesya Padmakososya Padayoho Ije Mahabhishekena Sobhishiktodhirat Vibhuhu. That Bharata has Sri Krishna Paramatma's chakras, Sudarshana chakras indication in Bharata's right hand, and that Bharata worshipped Sri Mahavishnu and became the emperor of the entire world. And while Bhrigu Mahamuni doing priestly job, that Bharata from the beginning of Ganga river to ending of Ganga river, he has performed 55 Aswamedha yagas. And then in Prayaga, on the banks of Yamuna, he has done 78 Aswamedha yagas. He also made charities of cows, wealth to so many Brahmanas. And because he worshipped Sriman Narayana, he has attained such a supreme state which is beyond all the Devatas' state. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra explaining. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarasyatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 5th chapter 18th sloka. Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmane Gavihastini Sunichaiva Svapakecha Pandita Samadarshinaha. Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmane Gavihastini Sunichaiva Svapakecha Pandita Samadarshinaha. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.